Sometimes this error appears when an application is just incompatible with your device, but other times, it is because of a Windows bug. So here are some possible fixes for the problem. Now, restarting your PC is the simplest solution to many Windows issues, including this one. Doing this refreshes the system and resets the Microsoft Store service. However, if restarting your device does not help, the next step is to clear the Microsoft Store cache. And in order for you to do it, open Run, type in the following in the dialog box, press Enter, then a command prompt will appear on the screen confirming that the Windows Store cache is cleared. Next up, check for your Microsoft Store updates. Just search Microsoft Store, click on the library icon, click the Get Updates option to check for available updates, and if updates are available, click Update All to download and install them. Moreover, you can also run the Windows Store application Troubleshooter. To do so, open Settings, click System, choose Troubleshoot, select Other Troubleshooters, and then run the Windows Store app Troubleshooter. Then, wait for the troubleshooter to detect any problem and fix it if necessary. And that's how you can fix this following error in your Windows computer. If you found this video helpful, kindly like and subscribe. You may also click and turn on the notification bell so you can be notified from whenever we release new videos.